guys, welcome back to channel Pretty Little Things. I'm Akriti and today we're going to tell you what's in our shower. That's what's in my shower. Let me just go get her. What are you doing? So I'm finally done with my shower and I'm all ready and I'm all decked up. So let's just tell them what's in our shower. So you know what, I got late today, so I picked up everything that I had and I came here. I'm like, आज तो मैं यहीं नहाऊंगी. एक घंटे से shower में गाने गा रही है. Okay, so what's the first thing? So the first thing which we have with us is our face wash. So what do you have? So I actually have the similar face wash, so I did not get that. So I got the scrub instead. I use this Clean and Clear blackhead removing daily scrub. It has very minute, granules that are not very harsh on your skin and get rid of your blackheads really easy. And this is like a daily scrub, so it's very mild as well. So I love using this. So the product which I have with me is Vitamin C Facial Cleansing Polish by The Body Shop, and this is a really nice face wash. It smells amazing. You'll fall in love with it. I use everything which smells really nice. So this one has vitamin C in it, which helps you get your glow back, and I use it regularly. So this is what it looks like. So next up, moving to shampoo and conditioner. If you guys know me and have been following me, you know that I've been in love with these two things. This is the banana shampoo and the banana conditioner from The Body Shop. These are the two things that I use regularly and religiously, and yeah, this is how it looks like. So the shampoo which I've been using is L'Oreal's Total Repair Repairing Shampoo, and I keep experimenting with different shampoos, but this has been my regular since a very long time. And my mom also used it and my mother-in-law also uses it, so everybody uses this shampoo and I really like it. So the next product which I have with me is the conditioner, which is Tresemme Ceylon Silk Moisture. And I'm talking right now, you got it the frame. So this one gives you very smooth and shiny finish to your hair. I tend to use a lot of heating products on my hair, so I tend to lose the shine. So this is what I am trying and it's really nice. So next up, I've been using something recently and this has actually helped my hair, you know, be all glamorous. No, seriously. So what I like to do is, after I'm done with my shower and you know my hair is a little damp, I use this Roots Morocco Vita oil. So this has argan oil and a lot of vitamins in it, which actually help my hair from, you know, not getting too frizzy and those chotu baby hairs coming out. Nothing of that sort happens, and it actually tames my hair from the lower ends especially. So I use this on the lower ends whenever I'm done with my shower and whenever I wash my hair, and it really has helped me get the shine back, get rid of the frizziness and everything. So this is how it looks like. So I also tend to get a lot of baby hair, much more than her. Like, I mean, whenever you see this part of my hair, there are a lot of baby hairs right there. So for that, I've been using argan oil by Morphosis, and this helps in taming my hair a lot, and it's amazing. So you guys should really try this out. Next, moving on to body shower. I have been loving this one from Nykaa. This is their lavender range, and it smells exactly like lavender. It lathers up really well. You don't need like a lot of it. You just need a little bit on a wet loofah, and this would just be enough for the entire body. And you can see I've been like, this one's already over and I've ordered a new one. So you know how obsessed I am with this if I've ordered another one. And with this I've ordered the other things as well, which we're going to show you later. So yeah. Which one do you have? So because she's been absolutely loving the Nykaa's range of body wash, and that is why I ordered this one, which is the Country Rose flavored one, and it's really nice. I've just recently started using it, but it's absolutely amazing and it smells exactly of rose. There are other products in this range which we have been using, and we're going to show you that too. The other good part is that, you know, when you use a body wash, sometimes it tends to dry up your skin. This does not dry up your skin. This does not feel like very drying on your skin. And the smell also lingers on for a long time, so you smell really nice. What do you have? What is your next product, Shara? Loofah! Pink one! Yes! I got this pink one. So how do you take back with it? Why don't you show us? And you do? I was really cute froggy. So my little cousin brother, who's like really adorable, gave this to me because this was like, he got 2 of them and then he was like, why don't you take it if you really like it? So I'm like, yes! So I got this. So I'm like, it was so funny. Imagine you're sitting out and under say puchi 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 puchi. I'm like, what? Let's move on to the next pair of products. So at first I only tried the body wash and I really liked it. So this time when I ordered the other one, I ordered the entire range and I made her do the same. So you know what happens is when you order the entire range or when you use the entire range, like the body wash, the scrub, the lotion, the mist, everything, the smell kind of sticks to your body and it lingers on for a longer time. So this time I thought I'll order that. So this one is the body lotion. I have not used a lot. I've used like this much, but it's nice. You don't need like a lot of body lotion to spread across your body. Just a little bit does the work. And the best part is that it does not feel oily or greasy or that kind of thing on your body. It just soaks in very easily and gives you a nice smooth finish. And this one's the lavender one and you picked up. So I picked up the rose one, so I'm gonna smell all nice and pretty. So I generally get really dry areas around this area and my legs, and I have a very dry skin except my face. I know my face is oily. So yeah, my skin tends to get very flaky, but this thing really helps me and it's very smooth on my skin and it's not sticky. I really hate anything which is very sticky, but this is very smooth on my skin. So next, moving on to body mist, I picked up the same lavender one and it smells exactly like the body wash and the lotion, just a little stronger. So you don't need like a lot of it, just a little bit would be fine. I think you also picked up the rose one, right? Oh yes, so I picked up the rose one, and the thing about this one is that when you take a shower and you come out, you want to feel all fresh and you want to smell all nice. So you just put it on right before coming out of the shower and then it stays on for quite some time and it makes you feel very fresh and very happy about yourself. Next, let's move on to the packaging of these products. So I personally feel that this one here is a little fragile and very, you know, how do I put it? It doesn't lock in the cap very easily. So I don't think it's very convenient for us to travel with, because you know you don't want your clothes and other things to get messed up because of it. So I wish they had a better packaging for this one. Yeah, I think all of their products, these other products are also a little bulky, so you cannot travel with them. But yeah, they're great to be kept in your shower. Also this moisturizer, whenever something has a pump, I'm always scared to carry it with me. But sometimes it doesn't get logged or something happens and stuff just comes out and leaks. So I think these products are great, but for your washroom, not for travel. So if you really want to carry these products for your travel purpose, you can get those small bottles for travel, what's it called? The travel kit or something, the small plastic bottles, and you can pour them out and take it along with you. So guys, do you have another choo-choo? How many choo-choos do you have? A lot! So this is so good. These are like little babies also, like 3-4 of them which also did choo-choo, but I lost all of them because of traveling and shifting and I don't know what. But these are the sort of stuff which Pradeep gets for me when he goes abroad somewhere. This is what he got me, imagine. This is his first gift to me when we started dating and he went abroad and he got me this. And she's married. Yes! Your kids won't need toys, do you know that? I know I have a lot of stuff in my room. I'll need another room. Chalo, so these were all the products which were there in our shower, and we hope you guys liked the video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Pretty Little Things. Bye guys!